My name is Lonesome Augustine, Army veteran, storyteller, author. And people ask me often, why did I write this book? Dark Prairie, forged by blood, bound by choice. The main reason I wrote it was because there were no black cowboys written about in the days that I was growing up. There were several television series and several movies made about cowboys, several westerns, everything from the Magnificent Seven to High Noon. However, none featured a black cowboy. So in this particular case, I wrote a cowboy story starring black cowboys, supported by black cowboys. I didn't write to rewrite history, but to remind people of it. This book is about courage. It's about survival. It's about freedom that came without instructions. If you've ever tried to find your way without a map or GPS, you already know why I wrote it, so I can point the way to the real history of the United States of America. Please follow me on Instagram and TikTok and subscribe to my channel. Lonesome out.